Do Kwon has been sentenced to 15 years in a United States federal prison. The ruling closes one of the most significant criminal cases in crypto history. A U.S. court found the Terraform Labs co-founder responsible for fraud linked to the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. That collapse erased roughly $40 billion in investor value in 2022. The sentence was delivered by Judge Paul Engelmeyer. He described Kwon's actions as unusually severe and deliberate. The judge said 15 years was the minimum acceptable punishment under the circumstances. Prosecutors accused Kwon of misleading investors for years. They said he falsely claimed Terra had a stablecoin backed by reliable reserves. When the peg collapsed, the court said Kwon did not admit failure. Instead, he sought emergency support from jump trading to artificially stabilize prices. The U.S. Department of Justice brought 9 criminal charges. They included conspiracy to commit fraud, securities fraud, market manipulation, and money laundering. The maximum possible sentence under U.S. law was 130 years. Prosecutors agreed not to seek more than 12 years in prison. However, the judge extended the term to 15 years after reviewing the scale of losses. The court also considered time Kwon already spent in custody. That included detention in Montenegro and the United States before extradition. In South Korea, Kwon could have faced up to 40 years in prison. During sentencing, he argued that 5 years would be fair. The court rejected that request. In August, Kwon pleaded guilty to fraud and conspiracy charges. He waived his right to a jury trial. That plea helped narrow the case but did not reduce the sentence. Judge Engelmeyer said Kwon knowingly misled the market for nearly 4 years. He said the deception continued even after Terra collapsed. The judge emphasized investor harm and long-term damage to trust in crypto markets. In his final statement, Kwon accepted responsibility. He said he blamed no one else for what happened. He admitted the system he built was flawed. He said his failure should serve as a warning to other crypto founders. The court noted that victims may receive partial compensation. That would come through bankruptcy proceedings tied to Terraform Labs. This case marks a turning point for crypto enforcement in the United States. It signals stricter accountability for founders and executives. For investors, it reinforces the risks of unproven stablecoin models. As regulators increase oversight, similar cases may follow. The Do Kwon verdict sets a powerful legal precedent for the crypto industry.